Isa rin sa Bida Best Kids.
I see my sister.
I live.
I speak. I feel. I live.
I've learned. Tanong ni teacher. Asan teacher mo?
Doon po kay teacher.
Ayan po, we have our teachers. Magkakaroon sila ng Christmas party po nila ngayon. Ano? Eto po kung may pulang manok, may pulang parol. Uy! Ayun po, ako magsasabi dito. Ako ang parolman dito. Hindi patrolman parolman. Okay, sir.
Sa side po, sa side.
O, side dito. Right side ba? Anong purpose ka ni sir? Contest nila.
Ano po?
Anong purpose?
Ang ano po, self-confidence kang aki, subjective po.
Okay.
Develop self-confidence para sa Children's Month
Ano po
celebration. Tapos po, maka-purchase kami ng additional sa improvement ng sound system. Nayaon na po na-purchase na kami.
Okay. Thank you. Good morning, teachers. Kumusta naman ang mga bata? Kumusta po ba ang pagkatuto nila? Ay, meron pa pala. Violet. Violet na naman ito. Sabi nga yan ng Violet ay nakakapagpabuhay. Yan lang. Talagang ang height natin ay ano lang, hindi Americanized. Teka muna, ganito lang. Oh, ha? Talagang ako na po ang parolman ng Concepcion Grande Elementary School. Grade 2.
Ay, sorry po.
Ay, good morning. Wow, oh yan. Nagagamboy.
Si Say pa ang Mayo. Sino malasin pa? Wala na ha? I see my sister.
Grade 6 na po siya. Ano pangalan mo na?
Luigi po.
Luigi. Ano gagawin mo, mama?
Marami pong makapuna kita. Sabi ng panatang. Ang Christmas party po ng mga aki.
The Bida Best Elementary School faculty and staff celebrates Bida Best Kid 2019 for Children's Month celebration. Most awaited portion, the Christmas party. Are you ready for the Christmas party? Okay. So Bida Grande homes really value children. For even the kids and also adults are important. So let us begin our program, partner. Blessed Father, our principal, the teachers, our parent partners, and the children.
Ini pong aktibidad sa unang daw, tulong bagay ang pagtapan at tanong. As party, and then alumni get together na mangyayari po sa Lunes, sa 16. So, pinapaabot ko po sa inyo si mga akit po nindo, mga tugang, na graduate video sa Bida Grande Elementary School. Iniimbitahan ko po sila na mag-video sa Lunes, alas 2 ng hapon, para sa sarong pagtiripon.
Panatang makabata. Ako si Banggitin ang pangalan. Bilang mamamayang Pilipino, ay kinikilala ang kahalagahan ng mga bata sa lipunan. Dahil dito, ako ay nangangakong isulong, protektahan, igalang, at pangalagaan ang karapatan ng bawat bata. Anuman ang kaniyang kulay, kasarian, lahi, relihiyon, kultura, estado sa buhay, may kapansanan man, o wala, upang matiyak ang kasiyahan ng mga bata, naniniwala akong nararapat na matamasa nila ang mga ito, maisilang at mabigyan ng sapat na pangangailangan upang mabuhay ng maayos. Lumako ang kaalaman, kakayahan, at talento. Maproteksyonan sa anumang uri ng pang-aabuso, panganib, at kalaasan. Makalahok sa mga gawain patungkol sa mga bata at maipagtatanggol at matutulungan ng pamahalaan sa lahat ng panahon. Sa tulong ng Poong May Kapal, ito ay aking isa sa puso at isasagawa ang lahat ng ito dahil ang mga bata ang pag-asa at siyang magpapaunlad sa ating bayan.
Morning sa mga parents, mga kaakian, mga bisita, sa ating school principal, my colleagues, everyone, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. These are the criteria and mechanics for the Bida Best Kid. So for the production number, we have choreography, 30%, stage presence, 30%, confidence, 30%, and audience impact, 10% for the total of 100%. And for the casual wear and school uniform, bearing, poise, and stage presence, 30%, neatness, style, and fashion, 30%, confidence, 30%, audience impact, 10% for the total of 100%. And let me po introduce the board of judges for today. We have our peer, or stand to us, our very own Ma'am Yvette T.M. San Juan. Our second judge is an alumna of Bida Grande Elementary School. We have Miss Eden P. Alejandria. And our third judge, do I have two? Joke lang. Okay, our very own, ang masipag at ang energetic na teacher ng Bida Grande, Mr. Mark S. Saliba. Okay, that's all po. Thank you.
From Academy Medical Center site, we have this article. November marks the start of National Children's Month, as declared by the Council of Welfare for Children, or CWC. This monthly event aims to promote and spread awareness on the rights of children here in the Philippines, considering the political and social climate they live in. And according to the news, the Philippines still has a long way to go when it comes to ensuring adequate health care, quality education, and a bright future for Filipino children. In UNICEF's situational analysis of children in the Philippines, data show that 31.4% of children were living below the poverty line in 2015. A more recent study in 2017 showed that for every 1,000 babies born, 28 died before they turned 5 years old. In light of the National Children's Month, here are the 12 rights of the child and what adults can do to uphold them. The 12 rights of Filipino children. Number 1. Every child has the right to be born well. It is the responsibility of the parents to make sure they can provide a safe environment for their unborn child. This includes proper medical attention and care from conception, birth, and throughout childhood years in a newborn services unit or pediatric center. Number 2. Every child has the right to a wholesome family life. The child's first learning environment and teachers are their home and family. They are entitled to be part of a loving family that will instill ethical values and morals in them. Number 3. Every child has the right to be raised well and become contributing members of society. By raising them in a safe and loving environment, parents and guardians can shape the personalities of their young to be useful and contributing members of their respective communities when they grow older. Number 4. Every child has the right to basic needs. The 4 basic needs of people outlined in the law are as follows: a balanced diet, adequate clothing, sufficient shelter, and proper health care. This also includes any other requirements to lead a healthy and active life. Number 5. Every child has the right to access what they need to have a good life. This right goes beyond the basic needs and focuses more on the atmosphere of the place they will be raised in. A child's needs must always be attended to so they feel the support of people around them, which in turn will build and strengthen their character in adulthood. Number 6. Every child has the right to education. In an ideal world, every child should have the means to go to a classroom and have access to books and learning materials that can enrich their intelligence and skills. Number 7. Every child has the right to play and enjoy their youth. Children have the right to engage in wholesome recreational activities whenever they wish and not be exploited for events that are deemed only for adults to do. In example, intensive manual labor. Number 8. Every child has the right to be protected from danger. This includes all hazards that could affect their physical, mental, and emotional states, such as removing them from dangerous living situations, preventing them from getting into accidents, or protecting them from the abuse of adults, to name a few. Number 9. Every child has the right to live in a productive environment. Children should be surrounded by safe communities that inspire them to give back when they are older. This means staying away from bad influences and situations that can cause harm to their health. Number 10. Every child has the right to be cared for in the absence of their parent or guardian. If the parent or guardian fails to fulfill their role, the state shall assume custody and care for the child, providing them with their fundamental needs for growth and development. Number 11. Every child has the right to good governance. Children also have a right to be born under the presence of good governance that can inspire them to become a helpful and active citizen. This doesn't necessarily mean they have to get involved with politics, but rather have an interest in being involved in political discussions for the betterment of their country. And number 12. Every child has the right to freedom and peace. Last but not the least, every child is entitled to do whatever they want in their lives, so long as it contributes to the peace and betterment of the communities they are part of. Protect children's rights every day. Parents, guardians, and all adults should be vigilant in protecting and advocating for the rights of children. While this National Children's Month is a gentle reminder for everyone to ensure that they are creating a better world for young Filipinos to live in the future, the battle must not stop at the end of November. Here at Bida Best Elementary School, due to the recent malady brought about by Typhoon Tisoy, the National Children's Month was celebrated this December. Both the children, parents, and guardians as well enjoyed activities attributed to them, including Christmas parties, and of course, the Bida Best Kid. Bida Best Kids is an original concept of the television network ABS-CBN, wherein children are given the chance to show their prowess, both physically and mentally, and involved into various activities that can both enhance their physical and mental knowledge.
Subscribe to InosVlog.
Merry Christmas!